IS 456-2000 is an Indian standard code that provides guidelines for the design and construction of plain and reinforced concrete structures. It covers specifications for concrete materials, quality control, and workmanship for building durable and safe structures. The code includes provisions for various loading conditions, mixed design, and curing practices to ensure structural performance. It also outlines durability criteria, including exposure conditions and measures to prevent corrosion. This standard is widely used in civil engineering projects across India for compliance with structural safety norms. IS 800-2007 is an Indian standard code that provides guidelines for the design and construction of steel structures. It outlines principles and practices for ensuring the safety, stability, and durability of steel buildings and components. The code includes provisions for load calculations, structural analysis, design methods, limit state and working stress, and fabrication. It also addresses aspects like fire resistance, corrosion protection, and quality control during construction. Widely used in India, this standard ensures compliance with modern engineering practices for steel construction. IS 383-1970 is an Indian standard code that specifies the quality requirements for fine and coarse aggregates used in concrete construction. It defines the grading, physical, and mechanical properties of aggregates sourced naturally, such as sand and gravel, for optimal concrete performance. The code categorizes aggregates based on size and provides guidelines for their selection to ensure durability and strength. It also includes tests for impurities, moisture content, and particle shape. Compliance with IS 383-1970 ensures the production of reliable and high-quality concrete structures. IS 457-1957 is an Indian standard code that provides guidelines for the construction of plain and reinforced concrete in dams and other massive structures. It focuses on ensuring durability, stability, and performance under varying environmental and load conditions. The code covers mixed design, placement, curing, and temperature control of concrete to prevent thermal cracking in large volumes. It also includes recommendations for quality control and workmanship specific to massive concrete structures. Adhering to IS 457-1957 ensures safety and longevity in critical infrastructure projects. IS 516-1959 is an Indian standard that specifies the methods for testing the strength of concrete. It outlines procedures for compressive strength, flexural strength, and tensile strength tests to evaluate the performance of concrete under different conditions. The code provides details on specimen preparation, curing, and loading rates for accurate results. It ensures uniformity and reliability in testing, critical for quality control and structural design validation. Compliance with IS 516-1959 is essential for ensuring the strength and safety of concrete structures. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to ConstKnow for more civil engineering knowledge. Hit the like button if you found this helpful and share with your friends.